There he is. He's guarding the canals of England. Now, if we had a canal boat, we could go in there now. We could take you all the way to Manchester and Liverpool on a canal system built by hand 200 years ago. Now, the area on the left, this is Limehouse today. This used to be Chinatown. So if you've ever read Sherlock Holmes, this is where he chased the evil Moriarty through the opium dens. But look along the left today, past all the buildings that look the same, and there's a little pub there, it's got 3 wooden balconies, and that's the Grapes. That's where Charles Dickens lived. Now the problem we've got in London, we've lost well over 1,000 pubs. Lots of them now are blocks of flats, or even worse, they're called malls. Well, if you look on the left, we've got a brand new city. But look all the way down the river on the left side, as far as you can see. If you'd have come down the Thames with us 30 years ago, none of these buildings existed then. Look on the left now, look at the tops of the towers. See all the names of the high street robbers we got today? Come back down here in 5 years, you'll have another 12 tower blocks on the left hand side.